before you call a single realtor, before you open Zillow, before you even think about touring houses, there are things you need to know that nobody in the real estate industry is going to volunteer to tell you. Not the agent, not the lender, not even the listing website. And if you go in without this, you're going to make decisions that are going to cost you. Let's fix that right now. First thing, your budgets and your approval amounts are not the same number. The lender might approve you for $400,000. That does not mean you should spend $400,000. That approval is based on the maximum they are willing to risk, not the maximum you can comfortably live on. Before you look at a single house, sit down and calculate what monthly payments you can actually handle after groceries, car payments, and utilities, and even having a life. Because nobody at that closing table is going to ask you that question. So make sure you do that calculation before going for a deal. Second point, you see, the listing price is just a starting point. Most first-time buyers see a price tag and treat it like it is fixed. It is not. Everything is negotiable. The price, the closing cost, the repair, even what appliances stay in the house. But here's what kills your negotiating power before you even start. Going in emotionally attached. You see, the payments, the moment an agent or seller knows you love that house, your leverage disappears. So make sure you stay calm, stay detached. Let the number make the decision for you. Now, the third point, the neighborhood matters more than the house. You can renovate a kitchen, you can't renovate a school district, a community, or the fact that there is a highway being built 2 blocks away. Before you fall for a house, search the area, drive through it at night, check what was planned for development nearby. Look up the property tax history. The house is temporary, the location is permanent. So you need to know this and understand them. Now, the fourth point, your credit score affects everything, and most people don't check it until it's too late. A difference of 40 points on your credit score could mean a lot of hundreds of dollars on your monthly payments over the life of your loan. Start checking your credit score at least 6 months before you plan to buy. Pay down balance, dispute any error, and do not open any new credit accounts. 6 months sound like a long time until you realize it flies by. Now, the fifth one, and this one is big. You see, the house you can afford today might not be the house you find today. Inventory is tight in most markets right now. You might get outbid. You might look for months. That is normal, and it does not mean you are doing something wrong. What destroys most first-time buyers is the pressure that builds up after losing few houses. They start stretching their budgets or waiving inspection just to finally win one. Don't let desperation make the decision for you. Now, come closer. You see, here is the truth. The buyers who come out of this process feeling good are the ones who did their homework before they ever stepped foot in a house. That's what this channel is for. You see, every week I'm giving you the information the industry assumes you already know, but nobody actually told you. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss